everyone, it's Sam here. So today I'm going to do an unboxing. This is kit 44 from the Papercraft Society. So if you're new to my channel, these are card making kits and they come out every month and they're always a different designer. I will share all the subscription details and everything in the description box below, and I'll talk through that more at the end of the video. But when you get the boxes, the design is always an indication of the theme inside and the palette of colours and the style of the box as well. So this is very different. It's the first black box I think I've had, because I'm just looking along. I keep all of the envelopes, which I'll show you in a moment, and yeah, they're all white or craft card. Got nothing with this design or this colour. So you've got the silver there on the front, and then inside here it says, don't compare yourself to others, be proud of what you create as it's just as unique as you are. And that is very true, and this is from Sandra. So Sandra is the designer or owner of Sanntangle. Now I have seen this a couple of times on like the craft TV channels, so I've got a slight idea of what she does, but I've never done any of this myself. So as always, we'll look at the envelope first. I haven't had a look in the inspiration book or anything at this one, so I'm going in completely blind. So yeah, box 44 by Sanntangle. Again, all of this gives you a peek at, you know, how the kit's going to look. So we have two stamp sets, papers, stencils, and some other stuff there. So we've got, first stamp set is this one here. So you've got these sentiments: joy, art, friend, and relax. And you've got all these different, I guess, doodles, images. I imagine Sandra's drawn these herself. This is really unusual. It's like a flower, like the petals are wrapped around a frame. I guess it could be like a sun as well. Again, very different. And then this one here, you've got love, dream, and hope. And then you've got this big design here, this one. That's really nice. I like that one. That's nice as well. And I love this kind of corner design. Another little swirl and some little circles there as well. So like I said, two stamp sets. Then you've got two stencils here. So this one here has got your simple shapes and then your corner detail there. And then this one here has got these very unusual shapes. And then again, more detail in the middle there. So I imagine that there is a way to use these. We shall have a look in a moment. And then this is your coordinating cardstock. So we have single-sided white core. We've got these ones. But they're actually really nice. And there's a lot there as well, which is great. So yeah, single-sided, so you don't have to choose a side. You don't have to pick what one you're going to have to hide. So that's everything inside of the envelope. I'll just pop that one in there. And let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so inside the tissue, we've got this pen here. Now that might be a blow pen. I don't know. And I'm guessing it's black. Again, we'll see what that does in a moment. You've got your stumps. So I do use these when I use my watercolours. These are blending stumps. You've got a piece of, oh no, it's a pencil. I was going to say a piece of dowel, but that's a pencil. We've got a fine ballpoint there, fine liner pen. And then you've got your sanding block here as well. So this will works with your blending stumps. Here you've got like photo corners, you know, to stick your photos in albums. And then we've got some more card. Let's have a little look. That's just another smooth, it's like a 6x6 card. And then these look like they're, oh, so these are the stamped, they're images from the stamps, but they've made these little cards for you. These look like they're about 3x3. You've got all different designs there. That's really pretty. I like that one. That's that leaf effect there. This one and this one here. It's got a bit of a tribal feel to it. So you can see one of the designs on the front there. So that's using one of those cards. You can see the background paper. Sandra Rushton. So she's the designer for Sanntangle, the owner. Like I said, I don't know too much about it. She's got another card there. Let's have a look at the index here. Okay, so that larger, so we've got F is, oh, they call them tortillons. and a sharpener, which is the sanding. I just call them blending stumps, so but that's obviously the correct name. Pens and pencils, 2 black markers, so I guess that's what they're meaning. Oh, one's a fine tipped and one is a thick, plus an essential 2B pencil for sketching your creations. So there you go. So that's what those are. So let's have another little look. I don't give away everything in the booklet, because for those, you know, that may want to get this one, it's a nice surprise. This is nice. That's really different. I like that style there. And it's kind of reminding me a bit of spirograph as well. I used to love that as a kid. And it shows you how to do the doodles here and how to create this effect. So this, you do this yourself. That's all been hand drawn. Very, very different to anything I've done before. So this is a guide. So that stencil there that I showed you is like a guide to create your doodles or your sketches. Let's see what else, see what that other stencil does. Ah, there's the, oh, hang on, let me get, there we go. That's, I actually really like that. Like I said, it's got, when it's coloured, look how 3D and how clever. Like I said, that kind of petal wrapping around the frame there, that's really different. And then this one here, that's that corner. I think if I change the colours and stuff, I can see this working. Just something that I'd have to play around with. I'll show you one more. This one here again, it shows you that. Look how, see how all that shading's really made that picture 3D. Like I said, there's a lot more in there. You usually get about 16 samples of cards, and then the interview, index, and then other bits and pieces in there like download links and things like that. So that's everything inside Papercraft Society Kit 44. So below this video, I always share all the links. So I have a direct link to this box, because by the time I do these unboxings, the subscribers have already got theirs and it's probably already onto another box. I'm usually a little bit behind with these. So if there's open stock still available of this one, you'll find the direct link to that. But you'll also find links to the Papercraft Society, and that's where you can take out subscriptions. You can do yearly, you can do 6 monthly, quarterly, or you can do month to month, and you can opt in and opt out, which lots of people do. And then they can see ahead of the next coming box, and if it's something that they think they're not going to maybe like, then they can pause the subscription and then you can start it back up again, you know, when the next box comes along. And then, like I said, there's the open stock as well, which this may well be. So have a look at the links. You know, it might be something, like I said, you just come across my channel and you like the thought of a card making kit. These have been going for a long time now. Like I said, box 44, so I think we're into our 4th year now of Papercraft Society, and I've got a playlist which I'll link here as well, and in that playlist I unbox every single kit, so you can really get a good feel of what these are like and the contents that you get and the variety of boxes, you know, because it's always a different designer. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll be back again very soon. Take care. Bye.